In this video, we wanted to cover the Fit Text to Curve command. Now this command can be found under Create 2D, directly underneath the text function. So you'll be prompted to select your text first, and then we want to select our fit curve. Now a fit curve can be any two-dimensional geometry, lines, arcs, or splines. I want to select the end of the first entity to set the direction. Now if the direction is not going the desired way, you can also select the opposite end to reverse it, even after you've started. Now to close this chain, we want to hold Shift and pick it again. Now underneath the selections, we have a distance from path, move text from start, and 3 different snap points. So I want to set this in the middle of this arc, and under distance from path, I can do a negative value to place it under the line. I can do the same with the cam to place it directly in the inside right underneath. So again, I pick my chain by clicking the end of it first, hold Shift, pick it again, and this time I'm going to do a positive value to place that text inside of the geometry. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to sign up for our new BobCAD-CAM user forum at forum.bobcad.com.